Wakanda Inu to the moon, guys. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're a new subscriber, you are highly welcome. Kindly click on that subscribe button and subscribe. So today I'm going to do a very quick video on how you can buy the Wakanda Inu from Pancakeswap. So for us to do that, we need the contract address. Just go forward and copy the contract address of WKD, and then we'll come back and go right into it. So go to your Chrome or your browser and type Wakanda Inu contract address here. Click here. So it opens, then you just scroll down to the contract address and copy. So I'm doing this because I already know what the contract address looks like. I'm also going to leave the contract address on the description box, so you can just pick it from there to avoid copying the wrong one and getting scammed. So when you're done with this, you just go back to Trustwallet. Then click on dApps here. Then search for Pancakeswap. Click on Pancakeswap. So when this is up, click here and make sure that your network is set to Smart Chain. This is very important. So you click here and then you select Smart Chain. Also make sure that your wallet is connected to Trustwallet. So here you decide on which coin you want to use to make this transaction. I want to use about 30 USDT to buy Wakanda Inu, so I'll just click here and type here USDT. Then click here and paste the contract address that you had already copied. So paste, and then it brings up WKD, which is the Wakanda Inu. So click on it. If you've not added it, there will be a prompt that you should add it. So you just click and import and then add the coin. Now you input the amount you want to use to buy WKD. For me, I'm using USDT. You can use the Smart Chain, you can use any other coin, but I'm using USDT, so I'm just going to impute 40 here because I want to buy with $40. When that is done, it gives you the amount of WKD you're going to get, and wow, it is obviously increasing because I know that I got a lot for less amount. So you can change the snippet tolerance to 0.5. So to do that, click here, then click on this, then close it, click on swap, confirm swap. So there is an updated price, so you just click on accept and then confirm swap again. Then click on approve. Then close. Transaction received. So this is successful and it has been done. If you don't have the WKD showing on your Trust Wallet before now, you have to add it to your Trust Wallet. So to do that, we go back to Trust Wallet. Click here. Click here, then scroll down, click on add custom token, then change the network address to Smart Chain, then click on paste because you already copied the contract address for Wakanda Inu token, and then every other information, the name, the symbol and the decimals pop up. Then click on done. and then the total value of your coin pops up. So I already had some earlier, so with the one I have, so this is the total I have at this point. It's not a financial advice. Do your own research. Wakanda Inu is here to stay. Let's take this African token to the moon, everybody. Congratulations and thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have a problem or a challenge while doing this. I am here to respond to you. Just leave a comment on the comment section and I'll be here to give you a reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.